feel stuck, Tony. My head feels heavy. My mind is full of noise. Too many messages. Too many plans. I can't breathe. I'm tired, but I can't rest. I work. I scroll. I read. I reply. But I don't feel alive at all.
Morning, Em. Wow, you look really not okay.
Thanks, Tony. Very helpful.
I mean, you look stressed. What's wrong?
I don't know. I just feel tired. Tired of screens. Tired of messages. Tired of everything.
Then stop. Take a break.
A break? I don't even have time for a break.
That's exactly why you need one. Come on, get up. Let's go outside. You need real air.
Tony, no. I have work. I have emails. I have things to do today.
Let the plans wait. You are more important than your schedule. I'm serious, Emily. Get dressed. We're going somewhere. A nature trip today. No excuses. You look like a tired plant.
Wow, thank you again.
Plants need sunlight and water. You need sunlight and air. And maybe coffee.
Fine. Coffee. Then what?
Then we go out. Fresh air. Trees. Birds. Blue sky. Remember those?
I don't know, Tony. I'm not in the mood.
That's exactly why you go. You don't need a good mood to start. The good mood comes later.
Okay, I'll go.
Yes. Go change. I'll get the keys.
The air is cold, but it feels good.
See? Step 1, breathe. Step 2, enjoy.
Don't push it.
Fine. Let's go. The city feels so loud today.
It's always loud. I'm just finally hearing it.
The air looks clearer already. That's because we're slowly leaving stress behind.
I hope so. This looks beautiful already.
And we just started.
I forgot this feeling. Space, green, quiet.
Birds, sunlight, and maybe bugs.
Don't start.
Come on, we're almost there.
The air smells different here.
Fresh, right?
Yes, fresh and clean. Ready?
Okay, let's walk.
The ground sounds soft. Kinda crunchy, but soft.
Nature ASMR.
For free. You're funny.
And you're smiling. That's progress.
You're funny. Listen, the birds. I never hear them in the city.
Because cars scream louder than birds.
True. But here, everything feels calmer, slower.
That's the point. Slow down.
Oh, water! It looks so clear!
Look at the surface. You can see the stones.
The sound is peaceful.
Like a song.
A small song for a tired mind.
My mind really is tired.
That's okay. Let nature fix it, step by step.
It feels strange. I'm not checking my phone. I'm not rushing. I'm not planning. I'm just walking.
Exactly. No schedule, no pressure. Just us and the trees.
The sunlight feels warm on my face.
And the wind feels cool.
Perfect mix. Warm and cool. Light and shade. Busy and quiet. Life has balance.
Look at you turning into a philosopher.
Maybe nature makes me think.
Good. Think more. Stress less.
My legs are tired, but I don't mind.
That's because your heart is waking up again.
My heart?
Yes. It's been sleeping under emails and messages.
That sounds right, Nay. Oh, wow.
Nice, right? I found this place last month.
It looks like a green ocean.
A quiet ocean. No cars, no noise, no stress.
I can breathe here. For real.
That's what I wanted for you. Space for your mind.
Thank you for taking me out.
My pleasure. Dragging you is my special skill.
I can see that.
Look, the lake. It's my favorite part.
The water is so still, but alive.
Sit. Watch. Feel.
You know, in the city, I always try to control everything. My time, my work, my plans.
Nature reminds us that life is big. Bigger than your stress.
Yes. Bigger than my inbox. Bigger than my worries.
Exactly.
I like this. I really like this.
Then remember this feeling when life gets loud again. Come back to the trees, the water, the sky.
I will.
We should stay until sunset.
Yes. I want to see it. I want to feel the whole day.
Good. Sunset here is magic.
Then let's stay. I don't want to rush anymore. The sunset is beautiful. It feels perfect.
Quiet. Peaceful. Just you and the world.
I'm thinking again.
Say it. What's inside?
I'm tired, Tony. Really tired. I feel like I'm running every day.
Then stop running.
It's not easy. I have work, goals. People expect things. If I stop, I fall behind. If I rest, I feel guilty. If I slow down, I feel weak. I'm tired of pretending. Tired of smiling when I don't want to smile. Tired of being strong all the time. I can't breathe, Tony. I just can't.
Good. Say it. Don't hide it.
I feel lost. Like I'm here but not living.
You care too much about being enough for everyone. But you never ask what you want. You work hard. You try. You give. You show up every day. That's strength, not weakness.
Then why do I feel empty?
Because you never stop to breathe. You run, but you don't live. You push, but you don't feel. You keep going, but you don't let go. Look around. The world is big.
Your stress is not.
Life is more than screens, goals, pressure. You deserve space, slow days, peace.
I want peace, Tony. I really want peace.
Then choose it. One day at a time. Start today.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Anytime. When your brain gets loud again, call me. I'll drag you out again.
I know you will.
Remember this moment. The colors, the wind, the water. This piece is real. Hold it.
I will. I feel lighter.
Good. Keep that. Don't pick up the old weight again.
I'll try. Today I didn't escape life. I returned to it.
Exactly.
Thank you for watching. If this slow English practice story helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.
Tell me in the comments, where do you go to find peace? See you in the next Learn English Through Stories video. Stay calm, stay kind, take good care of yourself. Bye for now.